Good morning everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome to you too. New day, new job. I've let my van out, so I'll be using Bad Boy for today to get me to work, which is lovely, the wife's car. So let's see what we can do today. Right, we're here, found the job. This is it, already loaded. I think it's going to be similar to this, but they're going to have storage, like water tanks and stuff in it. Going very high. You can see on these wooden bits, finished floor level is there. So it's going to be similar to that with some wood on top, I think. Profiles are set up, so you can run a line off of them across the road as well on that building. Today. Okay, centre line. So this is our outside. Oh, this is our outside. Kit now. Put in. Smear. Right, that's that square done. Do that. It's actually a 9-inch wall with these heavy concrete blocks, so it's a block laid flat. Who else does them like this? Comment below if you do your setting out like this. This way around. Build the corners now. Hammer, easier. These already, very heavy blocks. Never get bored of these blocks. Give it a little whack. Just winging it fashion, don't take the corner out far enough. Run it in, two of us. Oh, who loves that? Look. Get off. Line up, but tell me what you think. Would you put 2 lines up, both sides? One's different. Take me back to the Thermalite blocks. Actually, I prefer laying these ones. Leave me when I'm on the bottom course. I think he done that on purpose. Done. You're back. So I left him to do a course. It's only fair, them heavy concrete blocks. But I'm just looking at what a lovely day. Beautiful weather. I'm in a t-shirt, soon be in shorts, mate. Knit one course less. There you go, little baby. Floor level. Get in there. Okay, so we've jointed this up because I think it might actually be seen, because this is a pathway. So it'll probably be seen these first 5-6 courses, probably all of it down here, but definitely the first 3 or 4 over there. Managed to set this out, both sides, and I'll run over here. We got to there before we ran out of muck, so that's all ready to go. So another 5 courses on there. All in all, giving ourselves an easy day tomorrow. Please let me know what you think of the channel, whether you like it, whether you don't like it. I want to thank you all for your support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell. Thank you. See you in the next one.